Hi friends, today we are going to see how to multiply the two different numbers by using the reference number easily without using any calculators or mobile phones or any devices as manually. By using your mind, you can easily calculate those multiplications easily. I will show you how to do that one in your mind. First, I am going to start with the small one and thereby getting higher numbers. So, in this, we have some basic steps, that is algorithms we need to follow, that you can get it and you can use it anywhere in your day-to-day life easily without using any calculators or mobile phones or Android devices. So, here, what I am going to take is first I am going to go with the small numbers, multiply of two small numbers. Here I am going with 15 and multiply it with 13. Here we can see that these two numbers having the same reference number, that is 10, because these two numbers are greater than 10, so I am going to take the reference number as 10. So when comparing 10 and 15, it's 15 is greater than, it's five numbers greater than 10, so what I am going to put here is plus 5. So when comparing this 13 with 10, the difference value is 3 plus 3. So what we have get here is 15, 5 and 3. So this is the first step we need to done in this multiply mind calculation format. Next we need to add these two inside the square multiply value on the circle value which you have get with reference numbers. So 15 plus 3 equal to 18, or 13 plus 5 equal to 18. We need to add diagonally, friends. So 15 plus 3 is 18 and 13 plus 5 is 18. So we need to get any one in that. So what we need to do is 18 into, we need to multiply that with our reference number 10 equal to 180. So next thing we need to do is we need to multiply these two numbers within the circle, that is 5 and 3. So 5 into 3 equal to 15. So by adding these two numbers 180 and 15, we get the output 195. See, this is so much easy to calculate in our mind. You can say at starting it a bit difficult, but by practicing this one, you can easily calculate your multiply your numbers in mind itself. So next thing you may ask, what if these two numbers is one is greater than 10, another one is smaller than 10? So I am going to show you an example for that as well. So I am take this as 13 and this as 9. So for this also we have the reference number 10, because 9 is closer to 10 and 13 is closer to 10 but greater than 10, and 9 is smaller than 10. So here we need to implement plus 3, because 13 is 3 digits greater than 10. So what we have to do here is we need to minus 1, because 9 is smaller than 10 and 1 by 1 number difference. So now 9 plus 3 equal to 12, or 13 minus 1 equal to 12. So we need to multiply that 12 with our reference number 10. So the output will be 120. And what we need to do here is 3 into 1. 3 into minus 1. You can see here I have put minus 1 because the value what 9 is smaller than 10, and we have got negative here. Plus into minus is minus, so minus 3 is will be the output. Now we can say that 120 minus 3 is 117. So this will be the output of this multiply difference, friends. So don't confuse here. We are multiplying with it. Negative number will give the negative result. For a, if we have negative here as well, for example, if we take this as 7 and we get here will be negative 3. So what we have got here is minus 3 and minus 1 equal to the plus 3. So What here we will get is 6. 6 into 10 will be 60. 60 plus 3 will be, answer will be 63. This is how we can need to calculate the plus and minus symbol. Friends, don't forget this algorithm. This is very much simple and easy to remember. Now we can go with the greater reference numbers. For example, I'm going to multiply the numbers 28 and 21. So I will take this as a reference number 20 because 20 is near to these two multiple values. So 20. So what we are going to is plus 8, and here the value will be plus 1. So 28 plus 1 or 21 plus 8 is the value will be the same 29. So we need to multiply that 29 with our reference number 20. We are going to get the output as 580. So next thing what we need to do is multiply the two numbers within the circle, that is 8 into 1, that is 8. So by adding these two numbers we are going to get the output of these two multiply values 588. See friends, how simple is this for you to calculate these numbers in day-to-day life. Next we are going to skip into the reference number 50. Okay, so now I am going to calculate the numbers which are greater than 50 or nearby 50, which is for here I will take 45 and 40, sorry, 48 and 45. So by comparing these numbers with our reference number, it's different, it's smaller than reference number. So I am going to put 40, 50 minus 48 is two numbers difference and two smaller, so I am going to put minus 2. And same here, it's 5 number difference, so I am going to put minus 5. So this is, I'm going to clear the output, and 48 minus 5 and 45 minus 2, answer will be the same 43. So 43 into 50, the output will be 2150. So next thing what we need to do is minus 2 into minus 5 equal to 10, because minus into minus plus, so the answer will be 10. So by adding these two outputs 2150 and 10, the output will be 2160. So multiply of 48 and 45 is 2160. See, oh, before you watching this video you may think that these numbers are too difficult to multiply. Oh, how can I do this without calculator on any devices like that? But for now, you can do this by yourself without using those calculators or any devices. So you may think no. So okay, now what I have done is you have so the reference number is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what if the number is greater than 100 and one number is smaller than 100? So for that also I am going to show you an example. So here I am going to take 98, and here I am going to take 135. So the our reference number here I am going to get is 100. So I am going to clear this previous output, and we are going to do this one, clear this as well. So when comparing this with 100, this is two numbers smaller than 100. So I'm going to put minus 2. But this is 35 greater than 100. So I will put this as 35. So what we need to do is we need to add. So this one we need to add because the sign is plus here, and this one we need to minus. So I'm going to do this by 133 and multiply that with 100. So the output will be easily, we can get that one with multiplying any numbers with 100. So minus 13,300. Now we are we need to multiply the numbers within the circle, that is minus 2 1 plus 35. The output will be minus 70. So friends, now you have get the output 113,300 minus 70, that is 13,230. This is the what the output you will get, friends. This is so easy. So friends, you can, by doing this simple technique, you can calculate the two, multiply the two numbers easily within your mind. We no need any devices or anything. This will be very much easy for the students as well as the professionals, anybody who are seeking how, for simple things you are going to get the calculator on mobile phone. It's too bad, friends. So by using this technique, you can easily multiply the two numbers. So keep a note of it and keep it in your mind, the steps. It's at start it will be, you may think this is, oh, it's difficult, how can I do this, like that and all, but after just three simple steps make your multiplication more fast and more quick without any calculators or devices. By your mind itself you are going to do this. Just take a try and look and share to your friends. Thank you guys, bye.